What if I told you a TikTok video could land you a $3,000 load faster than any broker could? You'd think I was crazy. But guess what? You can sit there at that truck stop, complain about freight rates, or you can build a brand that makes brokers come looking for you. Does that sound wild? Does it sound crazy? No, it's real. It's happening. And it's changing the way that we do business. It's changing the way that we roll. Now I have a question for you. How has social media become one of the most powerful trucking tools? And if you didn't know that, then this video will change the way you look at your business. It'll change the way you build trust. It'll change the way you find customers. And most of all, it'll change the way you get paid. I'm going to break it all down from the cab to the cloud and back to your wallet. Back in the day, your MC number was your reputation. Today, it's your Instagram feed. It's your Shorts channel. It's TikTok. That's where your reputation is held nowadays. Shippers and brokers, they want to see how you work. How can they do that? Well, they go to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, one of those. And guess what? You have videos on there showing your rig, showing how clean it is, showing on-time deliveries. It's proof, it's trust, it's leverage. It will get you paid. A subscriber of mine posted a time-lapse video of them strapping down their flatbed. 2 days later, that shipper hit him up. That's not luck. That's called visibility. That's called putting yourself out there. Marketing. That's what that's called. I know you use load boards. You know it. I do it. We all do it. But you know what? They're crowded. They're slow. They have low ball rates. Come on, let's just be honest. They have really low ball rates. These days, you can get tagged in a freight group or a trucking group. And then next thing you know, in your inbox, you're getting messages from shippers and brokers saying, hey, I have a load that's in the lane that you normally run. Are you interested? A friend of mine once posted a clip of him driving a reefer truck through a snowstorm. The next day, the broker he was working with bumped up his rate. Do you know why? Because he showed he could handle the road and all the issues that come with it. People that see your grind, they see how good you are, they see your work ethic, and trust me, your rate's going to show that at the end. Now, you could go out and buy these flashy ads and have, the best looking people on your ad or whatever you want. But you know what? Truckers don't look at ads. Truckers don't care about ads. Drivers trust drivers, guys. You know what I mean by that? I mean, shippers, receivers, all of these people out here that are watching your social media, they're all important. But when a driver says something, it means more, especially if they're a really good driver. And you guys know that's true. That's how your reputation's built. And it can be crumbled that way too. There are some downfalls to this. But that's why smart companies let truckers tell their story, let truckers show their trucks, let truckers show their paychecks, show their schedule. That's what truckers really want to see. That's how you're going to recruit people. That's how you're going to get business. That's how you're going to get loads. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh, social media, that means I need to have followers and blah, 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 blah. No, wait. Before you go there, before you get all negative in your head and say you can't do this, pay attention, okay? You don't need 1 million followers. You just need the right followers. You post one video at a time. You build your name. You post your routine. You post your ups, your downs. People start watching. People start calling. That's how it works. It doesn't have to be, millions of subscribers. You only need the right subscribers, the right followers, the right people watching. And you do that by a routine and being consistent. Owner-operators are landing direct freight, selling merch, and getting sponsored. Not because they're famous, because they're real and they're consistent. In the old days, it was word of mouth. You'd get on your CV and that's how you'd spread your name. Nowadays, it's reels, shorts, and videos all over any social media. If you do it right, people talk. If you screw it up, people still talk. Reputation moves fast, so put your best foot forward and then press record. One clip of a clean truck, clean load, being on time, that can definitely help your image. One clip of a missed appointment, that's going to hurt your wallet. It's all out there now. Either you own your story or somebody else will own it for you. The old school grind still matters. I'm not saying you don't have to work hard. You still have to work hard. But now you put it in the digital world because that matters too. If you're not putting it online, you're going to be invisible. If you are putting it online, it's going to give you options that you don't have right now. Social media isn't for show. It's for survival. And the drivers that are using it right now, if you're paying attention, they're the ones not just staying in the game. They're the ones winning the game. Every mile you run builds your story. But if you're not sharing your story, then someone else is getting your load. Someone else is making your money. Social media is our new dispatch. It's our resume. It's our business card. It's our billboard. 80,000 pounds rolling around the highway, waiting for you to take advantage of it. So if you're not conducting business online and in the real world, then you're missing the boat, guys. If you're ready to stop waiting and get started, the best thing you can do is by watching a couple of videos from some good content creators that are also truck drivers. Personally, obviously besides myself, Driving with John, I would also refer you to someone like Bait Trucking, DIY Semi, Cash is King Trucking. There's a bunch of them out there. Midlife Trucker, Trucking City Media. There's a bunch of them out there, guys. They're really good ones, and they'll teach you a lot. It'll teach you how to brand yourself and how you can actually turn digital to help your trucking. Always remember, truckers are people too. We'll see you on the next video.